This is your weekly moment of growth. I hope all of you guys enjoyed your Thanksgiving with your family. I know that I had an incredible day with my friends and loved ones, and I just feel super blessed. And obviously, this time of year, we always start to think of things that we're thankful for and things that we're grateful for. And gratitude is something that I've put into practice on a daily basis in my life, and it's created a massive shift that has really made me happier. It's made me more positive. It's helped me reach my goals. And so I wanted to figure out, why is that? Why is it that when we are grateful and we practice gratitude on a regular basis, why does that help? And then I also want to address in this moment of growth, what is practicing gratitude? And people say all the time, I'm grateful, but there's an actual practice that we can put to it. And I want to share some things that you guys can do to really begin to practice gratitude. Harvard did a study on positive psychology, and they found that gratitude is strongly and consistently associated with greater happiness. Gratitude helps people feel more positive emotions, relish good experiences, improves their health, deal with adversity, and builds stronger relationships. Think about that. Just a simple shift in how your thoughts are can create better actual physical health. It makes you healthier. It can grow relationships. So why wouldn't you practice this? And so I wanted to share with you guys some things that you can start doing today that are really simple as a thought that will begin to shift the world around you. One thing is you can write a thank you note to somebody. So you can literally sit down and write them a thank you note and say, hey, I want to thank you for being positive in my life, or being present, or helping me with that one thing. And putting pen to paper and truly writing this down will start to send positive notes to your brain, and it will start to shift your perspective. So think about this right now. I want you to close your eyes, as long as you're not driving. I want you to close your eyes, and I want you to think about somebody who has impacted your life in a positive way. Did that completely shift your thoughts? Did that make you smile? Did that turn up your happiness dial just a little bit? I guarantee you that it did. You can actually just thank somebody mentally, just like you did right there, right? That little practice is just a simple practice of gratitude. You can keep a gratitude journal. This is something that I do on a regular basis. I'll sit down and just jot down simple things that I'm grateful for. You know, it could be the sunshine. It could be my family. It could be, the fact that I have this great platform that I can help people the best that I possibly can. Whatever you're grateful for, when you journal it every single day, it becomes easier to wake up happier. Count your blessings. Just take a second right now to sit down and write about everything you're grateful for. People who don't want to journal every day, they can do this every week or once a month and really just jot down, the things that they're truly, truly blessed for in their life. Praying. If you're religious, just to sit down and pray and take time to thank your higher power, whatever that looks like. Thank them for everything that you are. It really kind of cultivates great gratitude by praying. And of course, meditation. Mindfulness meditation, which involves the focusing on the present moment without judgment, really gets you out of your head and really makes you not think of the bad. And just being in the present and being healthy and happy is something that will shift your perspective. Gratitude, like I said earlier, has become such a great practice for me, and it really changes my day and my mood when I'm able to take a deep breath and realize that even when things aren't going the way that I want them to, I can be grateful. I want to thank you guys for spending the last couple minutes with me. I'll see you next week.